What's going on, everybody? In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at and installing some brand new parts from our favorite mounting systems company, Tacform. Now, we have several things I want to look at today. We have a tumbler, we have a Molle pack, but the main thing that I'm interested in showing you today is the brand new JTJL Slim Dash Bracket. In the last video I did on Tackform, we installed one of their universal phone mounts into this amp base. Those are those 4 screws right there. And I've been really happy with it. But this replaces that entire insert, and it gives you a little sliding track to install your accessories on, so you're not limited to just where the amp base is. Then we also have their new cooling base wireless MagSafe charger. Look how nice all of their packaging is, all of their branding, marketing materials. It's always so nice. I sell high-end fine art. It's very expensive photographs, and I wish all of my stuff was this nice. All right, so the first thing I want to tear into is a wireless charger. I don't usually use MagSafe. Usually I just have my phone plugged in, and I always have a wallet on the back of it. But I do have passengers that use MagSafe stuff all the time, and I think this is going to be a really good mount to go over on the passenger side. Right out of the box, this little MagSafe charger. This has a really good weight to it. Looks like it comes with a USB-C, and then a 12-volt adapter. So we have a 25 watt, 30 watt, and 45 watt, and then a traditional USB-C. And look, even the adapter has their logo on it. It's just really cool. Next up, we have our Slim Track Dash brackets. This is a beautiful piece of aluminum that's been CNC'd down. You can see that's TRAXX system that our new ball head is going to slide into, and it comes with the necessary hardware and the Allen, so you're not going to have to get your tools out for this one, just like the last video. Now, you can buy these individually, so you can do a driver or a passenger side, and I still have my driver's side amp base phone mount there, so we're going to pull it off here in a minute and see if I can use it on this base. I think the included hardware is long enough so that we can have the MagSafe on the passenger side and the old school just spring-loaded one on the driver's side. Before we pull that off and get to the install, I do have one last product I want to show you. This is the Slim Trackball. Now, this is the new mount that goes into our base right here, so that's going to slide in. These other 2 mounts, these are your arms that go onto the ball, and that's true whether you have this new system or the old system. This is pretty standard here. You know, the ball goes into one end, and then the accessory mounts on the other end. So that can be any of their phone mounts, GoPro mounts, things of that nature. So here's our 20mm Slim Trackball. This comes with a larger Allen key, and that's to tighten the top of this along the track. And so here's a quick look at what that's going to be like. You have a T-nut here on the bottom of your new ball head, and that's just going to slide straight into your track. Then you slide it into your desired location along that track. We're going to tighten it in, and then you'll have a solid mount wherever you place that. And this is a pretty serious nut that's in here. I don't think it's going to go anywhere, even with something heavy installed. Real quickly, if you've never used a system like this before, I will show you how the ball arm works. It's very, very simple. On each end, you have a socket as well as a way to torque that socket down. So you're going to loosen that up, and then you insert the ball into that socket, and now it is in your arm. Can tighten this down, and this gives you a lot of flexibility for angles. You're able to go in a lot of directions, so it's a really good system, especially for when you're mounting accessories that you're going to view at different angles, cameras, things like that. And so that's how our MagSafe charger is going to mount. It's as simple as that. You have a ball on the back, and it's going to slide into that socket, and then you can crank it down and put it any direction that you want. Now, we also have a few things back here that you might be wondering about. These are accent kits. You can get these in different colors to match your truck. This arm here, and this little collar. And so you can change those out to be any color that you'd like. They have carbon fiber, black, the blue, which will look good on the blue truck. And then we also have a shorter arm here. So I'm not going to look at those today. We got bigger things to get into. We're gonna install this, but first, I do wanna open these up and take a look at what's in these boxes. This is a little Molle bag. I have a great space over here on the side of my smart cap kitchen. I keep a lot of wires and charging cords in. And so, yeah, I thought this would be a good little accessory. Just gonna go on the back of that Molle panel. This is nice. You have your Velcro tags that you can pull on and off, put different stuff there. Just nice little bag. Nothing, you know, not reinventing the wheel over here, but you have a little pouch up front too. So I've been using a sunglass holder for my cords, and it's just not too convenient. But yeah, it's a nice little piece. And then this is just a little keychain holder, little magnetic keychain holder. And who doesn't love magnets? I love magnets. I think they're awesome. It's one of my favorite things ever. We got magnet lights, more magnet lights. So yeah, I like magnets. This thing's really strong. It's put stuff on your keys. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it, but cool little accessory. We also have an 18-ounce tumbler, and it's not just a tumbler. We have this MagSafe mount. Well, look at that. Well, that's fancy. So maybe I can use my tumbler to do my TikTok videos. Now I can do my TikTok dances on my tumbler. Nice. It's kind of useful, and you could put this in your cup holder too. Now let's get inside the truck, and we're gonna get these bolted in. I do need to pull off my old mount, which I do love this one. One benefit I do see from having the TRAXX is that occasionally with my big phone, it's kind of in the way of the steering wheel. With that TRAXX, you'll be able to slide it back and forth. So I'm gonna just pull this out real fast. Now underneath these pads, Jeep has installed factory. Oh, we very lost that one. That one's going to rattle around for the rest of eternity. It just fell in the defroster vent. That's an all-time win for me. Good job. So, as I was saying, Jeep installed factory amp mounting points, which is a standardized mounting system underneath both sides of the dash here on the newer Jeeps. What you want to do is take a little pry tool, and it's going to be a piece of rubber. We're going to remove that. Our new panel sits exactly where it needs to go. 4 pieces of hardware for either side, and then use your provided key to get this all seated down. And that's it. Once you have your plate bolted in, you can take your ball, slide it into place. Based on my experience, I think right in the middle is probably where we're gonna put it, so I'm gonna go ahead and tighten that up. And that's basically it. All you have to do is take that arm that we had earlier, tighten it down, and let's plug it in, see what it looks like. And they do provide your USB-C cable, as well as a fast charging 12-volt adapter. And plug these in. And you have a little light up here on the right that is also your action button. You can turn the charging off, you can turn the cooling on and off, but it should just be ready to go. Really simple install, awesome products. You know, I've never been a big fan of MagSafe stuff. I'm just always concerned it's gonna fall off, especially wallets and things like this, where if it would fall while you're driving, it could cause some issues, but you know, it really feels like it's on there good. I love the cooling fan on the back, especially somebody like me who spends a lot of time on the road, traveling, shooting videos, shooting photos, and I do a lot of video on my phone, so as such it gets hot. So the cooling base, that might be a good addition to my kit. And good news is our old arm, it bolts in exactly like you would expect it to. I still think I might buy the slider ball adapter so that I can actually put this on the slider so I can move it around a little bit. I have found that on occasion, especially with that big phone, sometimes it's kind of in the way of my steering wheel. But overall, just really happy with these bases, happy with the cool tumbler and the Molle pack. Like, this is a cool company, and that probably is a good segue into me saying I want to shout out the guys at Tacform for sending me this care package. This wasn't sponsored. They didn't ask me to make this video. They didn't pay me anything. They just saw some of the work that I do here with the truck and my photography business, and they thought it would be a really cool thing to reach out and give me a swag pack. So thanks guys, I love your products, and thank you for supporting me along my journey. For those of you watching though, I think that's the end of this video. Hopefully it wasn't too long. Hopefully I wasn't rambling that much. You can find links in the description below. I'll link, if they have these up on Amazon, I'll go ahead and link to those in the description, as well as some other products and things that I use along the journey. So if you made it this far, really appreciate y'all at home watching. I hope you got a little use out of the video. We'll see you next time.